Monana guys, I sampled this beat, I sampled this beat from this guy, from like Telegram, like I met this nigga on Telegram, so he gave me all the samples, so I sampled this shit. So guys, I don't know, cause like I'm still learning how to sample, so I don't know, like guys, Ronaldo kwa elizwang, but then this is my product, cause like we experimenting, rona batho ba music re nka music as like the scientist ya the experiment, so like ra experimenta da guys, so yeah. Yeah guys, so like let me know on the comments if you love this beat, like if you feel like I can jump on it, please kopa le comment ka di fire emoji.